Assalamu alaikum MDCAT aspirants. My name is Abdullah and welcome to the MDCAT Orbit. Today we are going to do MDCAT Past Paper MCQs. Let's start the discussion. पहला क्वेश्चन है Example of viruses having a polyhedral capsid with 252 capsomeres is A. Adenovirus, B. Tobacco mosaic virus, C. Influenza virus, D. Bacteriophage. Question number 2 is the complete, mature and infectious particle of a virus is known as A. Genome, B. Capsomere, C. Prion, D. Virion. Question number 3 is the causative organism of measles is A. Pox virus, B. Papovavirus, C. Picornavirus, D. Paramyxoviruses. Question number 4 is in the life cycle of a bacteriophage, lysozymes are required in which step? A. Genome injection, B. Penetration, C. Replication, D. Adsorption. Question number 5 is dash is transmitted through infected blood and hypodermic syringes. A. HIV, B. Influenza virus, C. Morbillivirus, D. Vibrio cholera. Question number 6 is in the Calvin cycle, CO2 react with RuBP to produce A. 3-PGA, B. G3P, C. 6-carbon unstable intermediate, D. 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate. Question number 7 is which option is correct about a chlorophyll molecule? A. Chemical formula C55H70O6N4Mg, B. Porphyrin ring with nitrogen in center, C. Methyl group on second pyrrole ring, D. Aldehyde group on second pyrrole ring. यूएचएस की की में इसका आंसर अल्फा है, लेकिन ये कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन है। इसमें चारों ऑप्शंस ही करेक्ट हैं क्योंकि इन्होंने क्लोरोफिल को स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया हुआ। Question number 8 is in the journey of electrons from photosystem 2 to photosystem 1, plastocyanin is reduced by A. Plastoquinone, B. Cytochrome complex, C. P700, D. Primary electron acceptor of PSI. Question number 9 is enzyme NADP reductase is responsible for A. Reducing NADP positive, B. Oxidizing NADP positive, C. Reducing pyridoxine, D. Reducing P700. Question number 10 is the photosystem 2 during light reactions receives electrons from splitting of A. Water, B. Plastoquinone, C. Plastocyanin, D. Pyridoxine. Question number 11 is monosaccharides have a general formula. You can see the options. I wanna tell you something that in the UHS key its option was given as beta. Obviously its answer is alpha. Question number 12 is what is the percentage of water in bone cells? A 70%, B 20%, C 99%, D 60%. Question number 13 is when glycerol reacts with a fatty acid, which bond is formed? A. Ester bond, B. Ether linkage, C. Hydrogen bond, D. Ionic bond. Question number 14 is polysaccharides in plants are synthesized by A. Hydrolysis, B. Oxidation, C. Condensation, D. Glycolysis. Question number 15 is which process is involved in the breakdown of protein into amino acids? A. Condensation, B. Hydrolysis, C. Glycolysis, D. Fixation. Question number 16 is the hydrophilic end of a phospholipid molecule is polar because of the presence of A. Glycerol, B. Amine group, C. Fatty acid, D. Phosphate group. Question number 17 is which monosaccharide will form a glucopyranose ring in solution? A. Fructose, B. Glucose, C. Ribose, D. Deoxyribose. Question number 18 is chloroplasts are membrane-bound bodies containing A. Enzymes, B. cristae, C. Pigment, D. cisternae. Question number 19 is which of the following is the function of Golgi complex? A. Intracellular digestion, B. Autophagy, C. Autolysis, D. Processing of cell secretion. Question number 20 is the nucleus takes dyes due to the presence of A. Chromatin, B. Lipid, C. Metal ions, D. Thylakoids. Question number 21 is the organelles only found at seedling stage in oilseed plants are A. Peroxisomes, B. Glyoxysomes, C. Microbodies, D. Vacuoles. Question number 22 is posterior lobe of pituitary produces A. Antidiuretic hormone, B. Thyroid stimulating hormone, C. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, D. Follicle stimulating hormone. Question number 23 is in human myelinated fibers, nerve impulse travels at dash meter per second. A 100 to 120, B 130 to 150, C 160 to 180, D 190 to 210. Question number 24 is Needles granules are group of A. Mesosomes, B. Lysosomes, C. Ribosomes, D. Chromosome. Question number 25 is during non-conducting state, the neuron membrane is permeable to efflux of A. Potassium ion, B. Sodium ion, C. Calcium ion, D. Chloride ion. Question number 26 is which neurotransmitter is lying outside the central nervous system? A. Acetylcholine, B. Endorphins, C. Dopamine, D. Gamma aminobutyric acid. Question number 27 is depolarization during conduction of nerve impulse is due to A. Inward movement of sodium ion, B. Inward movement of potassium ion, C. Outward movement of potassium ion, D. Outward movement of sodium ion. Question number 28 is which of the following is not a feature of autonomic nervous system? A. Regulate response of visceral organs, B. Regulate response of skeletal muscles, C. Regulate response of glands, D. Regulate response of smooth muscles. Question number 29 is taste receptor is an example of A. Mechanoreceptors, B. nociceptors, C. Photoreceptors, D. Chemoreceptors. Question number 30. Which of the following belongs to chordates? A. Spider, B. Earthworm, C. Troutfish, D. Starfish. You can skip this question because this is not included in the current MDCAT syllabus. Question number 31 is which of the following statement is incorrect regarding rate of enzymatic action? A. Increase in enzyme concentration increases the rate. B. Increase in enzyme concentration reduces the rate. C. All enzymes work at their maximum rate at the optimum temperature. D. All enzymes work at their maximum rate at optimum pH. Question number 32 is induced fit model of enzyme activity suggests that an enzyme A cannot modify its active sites, B can bind to a single substrate, C can catalyze related reactions, D usually belongs to non-regulatory enzymes. Question number 33 is chromosomal abnormality in Turner syndrome is represented by A XXX, B XYY, C XO, D XXY. Question number 34 is the change in frequency of alleles at a locus that occurs by chance is known as A. Mutation, B. Genetic drift, C. Non-random mating, D. Speciation. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section.